Hi everybody! Tonight I will show you how to do a vertical sewing or seam invisible for your project on your ADDI Express knitting machine. First you need a wool needle and you will go grab 2 bar one side and 2 bar the other side. So it means that you go in the middle of the stitch and make sure that you stay on the same line all the time. If you switch a little bit on the side, it's gonna be all twisted and it will not look good at the end. So make sure you follow the same line. So you will do that till the end, and when you arrive at the end, you pull on your yarn and it will do the invisible seam. And voila, that was the little trick for tonight. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestion or requests, just take the time to put it on the comment of YouTube, and I'm always happy to answer all your question or your comment. So this is the simple one for tonight. I'm sure it will help you to go do some sweater or do some blanket sewing together, or maybe to do a sweater. So hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe and never give up.